Hello and welcome to Sewist Online Pattern Designer channel. Drafting a pattern requires you to mark points and connect them with lines, arcs or curves. With Sewist, you use a simple coding language to draft sewing patterns. And yes, some math, but don't you use math when drafting a pattern on paper? Let us start with points. Today we shall look at two functions that create points. The first function, point, puts a point at the given coordinates on x and y axes. The x-axis goes from left to right, and y-axis goes from top to bottom. 0 is in the top left corner of the grid. The grid, by the way, is 10 by 10 centimeters by default. You can also change view to 1 by 1 centimeter grid by clicking the grid button in the upper row. The 10 centimeters lines are still visible and are somewhat thicker. Let's put the first point at 10 centimeters by x-axis and 10 centimeters by y-axis. The function syntax is as follows: write the name of your new point, equation sign, the word point, and then x and y coordinates in brackets. You can see that our point P1 is at 10 centimeters to the right from 0 and is by 10 centimeters below 0. You can use math formulas, variables, and coordinates of other points to describe your new point. For the next point, P2, we have math formulas in coordinate parameters. The system calculated these, and placed the point at 10 centimeters by x-axis and 50 centimeters by y-axis. You would often want to refer to size constants or variables when putting your points. I created two variables, n that equals 40 centimeters and m that equals 15 centimeters, and used it to place point P3. For y-coordinate, I used a size constant SC13, shoulder length. The full list of size constants is available at www.sewist.com. It is also possible to refer to coordinates of already existing points by using properties point x and point y. For the next point, P4, I used x-coordinate of P3 and y-coordinate of P2. The point is right below P3 and is on the same level as P2. The next function, apply, puts a point at the given distance from an existing point, in the mentioned direction. Angles work clockwise. 0 degrees is to the right, 90 degrees is down, 180 degrees is to the left, and 270 degrees is upwards. Negative angles work counterclockwise. For example, 270 and minus 90 are the same. You are probably asking yourself by now, why do I need to code a pattern if I can simply draft it in my CAD software? It is easier to just place a point by clicking anywhere in the screen, in placing another at some 15 centimeters to create a shoulder line. However, when you need this pattern in a different size later, you will need to redraft your pattern anew, or grade it, at the risk that your armholes, necklines and other complex curves will go wrong. With Sewist, you can always refer to a size constant, and your pattern will be redrafted with excellent precision for another anthropometric group. While coding approach may seem challenging, it also eliminates the boundaries of your creativity and improves efficiency greatly. No more grading, much less fitting, unlimited styles created online and made to measure. I hope you enjoyed this short video about Sewist Online Pattern Designer. If you have any questions, join our social network at www.sewist.com and join our Sewist software group. You can also search for patterns, books, manage stash and projects, get advice and forums and make new friends at sewist.com. We all love sewing.